Want to weld the flanges, tack them on this underside.
She considered an idea.
Just finished tacking the runners on the flanges. Tacked the collector to the runners and then pulled it off, brought it over here, and Patrick just threw a couple of tacks on the backside that I couldn't get to, and now I'm just ready to weld up the flanges.
Thanks. Stainless kind of melts funny and it's super hot to weld, and it's just real tricky metal to weld. Everything has to be super clean and no gaps. They handled it, you know. They also backgassed it to make sure it had full penetration and nice pretty flat welds all the way around. Well, stainless is kind of one of the hardest things to weld, and so if you're good at that, you're a really good welder. So pretty proud of both of them. It's kind of nice for me to sit back and let someone else weld stuff. It's usually the other way around. I just think it looks great. I like the way it looks. I like the way stainless looks, just welded and not do anything. It's such pretty metal, and you don't have to, you know, and they'll change to like gold, you know, once you run it. So there's no reason to get crazy with it. Could always polish them if we want, but
It's cool.
I like them. I like the way they turned out. Yeah. It's different than what you usually see on flatheads. I think they look cool.
my personal style with any kind of exhaust or headers, whether it be for a car or a bike or anything like that, my theory behind it is like you should be able to pluck the motor out of it and put it on a stand, and the exhaust should make the motor look like it's going fast when it's just sitting there. So, you know, the way the pipes sweep and everything, it should always simulate some kind of motion. And that's just my personal opinion. You know, some people just like, go, you know, which is cool. And it all does the same thing, but I think I like to put a little bit of artistic flair on it to, like, if we're gonna do something, we might as well do it in a cool way. I know God put me on this planet for these hands to weld stuff. When I first started being a fabricator, it was considered off, and making stuff and welding, and those were grease monkeys and dirt bags that did that. You know, if you had a job where your hands were dirty, that was still looked down upon. This is what made me 9 years ago stop drinking and never have another drink of liquors, because I realized my skills were so great that if I didn't get serious about life and get serious about capitalizing what gifts God gave me with metal, that I was gonna lose it. So, and I like to drink. I love beer and Southern Comfort and Yukon Jack. I mean, I was professional. I did. I mean, there's nothing better than like a beer on a sunny day at 4 o'clock, the sun's getting low and your eyes squint, you tap the Rockies. But, you know, it's not better than this. You know, I mean, I don't know. It takes me to a different place. It's like, you know, a form of active meditation and therapy and fulfillment, and it's like I was when I was like 8 years old with the trash can full of Legos dumped on the living room floor. You know, I'd just sit there for hours and make anything I could imagine. Well, this is the same thing. You know, you reach a certain amount of success and other stuff like television and, you know, everything else that I try to do. You know, I've had a lot of failures, but I've had a lot of good luck and a lot of, you know, seen successes, but it's not what I'm supposed to be doing. This is the thing that I'm supposed to be doing, and this transcends everything what's success or failure or, you know, it's in my soul and I'm supposed to be doing it. You know, I love it. I like being here a lot. I'm not Jesse James here, I'm just one of the guys, so it's kind of a good feeling for me.
Like the guy on the chop shop.
What, on Monster Garage?
I don't know, maybe it's just me.
No. I don't look like the guy on Monster Garage from West Coast Chopper.
You know what, I ain't gonna lie, I don't remember exactly which show that is, but it's
From Long Beach.
damn, you look just like this one guy that I see on TV be fixing up them cars and stuff. Yeah.
Pop up in there.
Ow!
You gotta lean all the way back.
I love this. Hey, I wish I could ride in it every day.
Crazy ass white boys rolling
That's
around.
all right. I love you white boys. Y'all got it going on.
Was too, man.
Doing all
Wait, you
this.
figured it out?
Yeah, I know it, dude. What's up? Damn, I said, man, I know I seen him on TV. Dude, I knew it. I just couldn't think of what it was. Hell yeah. I love your show, man.
Thanks, man.
Hell yeah.
Got a new one coming out. It's pretty.